So welcome again from VM World. I'm here at the Handson Labs Centre, where it's really the epicenter of everything VMware does with its technology for its customers. So today I'm actually here with Anitha, who's one of our senior technical program managers. It's great to have you here and to talk to us a little bit about all the wonderful work that has been going on this year.
This year, as every year for Handson Labs, we want to do more. We have more seats this year, over 600.
Yes, I heard it's a record.
Yep, we have over 80 labs. We have over 100 workshops.
And you've also, this year, I understand, we've had more female engineers than ever. And it's been an active campaign of really driving more female engineers. So tell me a little bit about that.
Sure, yeah. So late last year, I worked with some of the other leaders to increase the number of women. The majority of the lab staff at VMware for Handson Labs are volunteers. They have a day job and then they come in and do labs. And so I think of labs as being terrific for your career. Of course, you get to come to VMworld and meet customers, and you get to learn what their issues are or challenges are or architecture or problem solve with customers, and you get to take that back to your day job. You get to deal with cutting edge technology.
Yes.
It's all the new products and solutions in labs, and
what a tremendous experience and exposure for so many people.
A lot of our senior women have been saying that it has helped them in their career.
And I guess it's also a great opportunity to have, you know, a lot of the men that have been working in the labs traditionally also advocate for you know, quite a bit of the female talent, which is a really wonderful thing. So it was wonderful to have Yanbing Li here with us.
It was. She told her personal stories about her own challenges as a woman in technology, as a leader, and I think she inspired all of us. So we built a little mentoring program. This year we started before VMworld, where we have some of the more experienced women who could mentor the newbies.
Yes.
And we've had a great experience because it can be challenging. You're coming to a very big program. There's a lot to learn.
So the best thing in the Handson Lab is you get to know about the customer's experience.
VMware 是一家技术创新型的公司，所以我在这个公司里，我能够感受到前沿的这个技术氛围。
VMware has so many products; it's not possible always to learn all of them. But this is giving us that opportunity. Technology is changing lives, and it's great to be part of that and taking it further, changing the world.